Hi guys, welcome back to another Mason Station video. Today we are making a marble run video, and I wanted to show you the track I designed and built on my own. I'm so excited for this video. I can't wait. I've been waiting a long time for this. So this is our 16 marble wrap bracket, and this is the winner zone right here.
I like this orange and gray one. I think that one's really cool.
So that's my dad's ball he picked for his race, and mine is this one. It's pretty cool. I've been doing a lot of challenges with him. He won every time. These are our first two marbles to race. Let's get started.
Go ahead.
These are our first two marbles. Here we go. Woo! Here we go. They're both about to go. This is tricky because we didn't know because they were both close.
Yellow's got the lead.
That may not for long because they can switch spots. They can go.
I think Yellow's still got the lead.
They will. He will.
Yellow's making his way in there right now. Oh, come on. There it is.
Yep. Oh.
And we got
Yellow took the short, long way.
one more
Oh.
circle.
Oh, he got stuck. We're gonna have to help him. Oh, they're both there. Oh, they both took that path. That one takes both the same path. This way is where they can change. No, wait, what?
And Yellow wins. Black shortly behind.
This is our second race, and these are our two next marbles to race. And off they go.
We got another yellow leader.
The green leader. It's a green leader.
Oh, green, yellow, I can't tell.
Oh, green one.
Yep, we got a green.
Yellow just raced last time. Green looks like he's got a great one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Green took a weird path there.
Yeah, I don't know why.
And there's
Green's
blue.
already down. Blue just got on there, but green's already down there. Let's see which path green goes. Green goes this way. He can take the shortcut.
Come on, let's see it change her. Let's
Come on, go that way. Nope. Blue goes this way. He can go the shortcut way, and then
Green almost got stuck there. Let's see if Blue can capitalize off of that. Up, Blue. Up.
Blue got
stuck.
Oh no, he took the shortcut. Come on. Dang it. And
Oh,
Blue
with the upset. The Blue upset.
the blue.
There's a shortcut in there, guys.
I know the blue was so lucky. He took this way, and then he took the shortcut. You saw that, guys. These are our next two balls, and this is our third race. Let's start. And off they go. Let's see which way they go this time. See who takes the short, long way, who takes the short. Oh, that blue! The blue is going down
Oh,
first,
they're really
too.
duking it out.
I think the blue's gonna go down. Oh my god! So the white one went down the yellow one did first, but then the blue hit the white one to slow it down, so the blue went down first. It looks like blue's gonna end up be going the tube. He's gonna end up be
Tight race. Up, Blue's taking it.
Blue's taking it. White's taking this way though.
And Blue's stuck. Oh,
What the hell?
I didn't even touch it. He got unstuck on his
He's
own.
getting stuck. Come on, don't go down. Okay, they're both on the same thing, so that's a chance for blue to win. It is. Next person that goes down that way is gonna get that shortcut. And blue's a winner. Blue won.
Blue wins.
Blue wins that time. These are our next two marbles, and this is our fourth race. Let's start it. And off they go. Now the two marbles are on the lead. Who's gonna get the lead? Oh, red.
Red with the early lead.
That was a tight squeeze there, red. Oh, red already went
Man,
down
Red's
that way.
really taking the lead now.
I know, right? The only way for one to win is only just about. Orange is catching up a little. So orange can still make the catch up.
Yeah, that red one's taking forever.
Now he's going down. Whoa. He's taking that ball. He got stuck. You look at it again. He's gone. And orange
with
wins.
the shortcut. With the shortcut.
Orange wins it. Winner. Orange
And
won.
red's still in there.
Yep. Loser. These are our next two marbles in our fifth race, and this marble is the marble I chose to win. See if you win this race.
Good luck, buddy.
Yeah, look. And off they go. Mine got a long start. Look at him.
Oh, look at that move he just made. Oh, hold on.
Oh, wait.
Oh!
He still made it.
Oh man, look at that. He's taking a commanding lead.
I told you he's a good winner.
The only chance that red one almost has is if he catches a shortcut.
Yeah, but that's not happening. It takes
Yep, he's a whole loop ahead of him. Wow.
He's not even on that other loop.
You did pick a good marble. You didn't take the shortcut though, so the red marble has one chance.
He not. No, he can't. No, he doesn't. I won. Yay, I win.
And
Red's still going. Oh, he didn't take the shortcut. And now it's going to still take a little while till they're both down.
wow, the slowest marble in the world, guys.
No, the red one was. He's about to go down. These are our next two marbles, and this is our sixth race, and this is the marble my dad chose. See if his wins. I don't know. Because I have this marble race.
Fingers crossed.
Oh no! Marbles are falling off.
Uh-oh, the board. No.
No! We'll have to fix that. We don't even remember where they are. And off they go! We got a good start.
Ooh, mine's got a good start.
I know, right?
It's got a really good start.
You did?
Yeah.
This yellow win?
Come on, you can do it. I didn't take the shortcut.
No, but that's alright.
And I almost got
The
stuck.
other guy's gonna get the shortcut.
Take it easy, buddy. No!
Wait, oh! Dang it, you could have caught up a little. Because your guys was just about to go down.
I stink. My marble lost.
These are our next two balls in 87th race. Let's start it. Let them run. Oh, and that one got a big start because that one didn't fall out. And I think he still got a big lead, didn't he?
Oh, that was a good move right there.
He pushed him, but he accidentally pushed him into the next one.
Which one got the late start? The one that's winning?
I think the one that was winning got the late start. He's still winning. He's pretty good. I think that lead's gonna be mine and that guy left. Because mine's pretty good. I wonder who I'm going against the next round. Well, I'm against your ball. Wait, no, you lost. You lost. Didn't you?
Yeah, I lost.
So I'm against the guy that plays you. Woo! Let's go on each other.
Did I get stuck somewhere? Where's the other ball?
I don't know, he's right here. Oh, he took the shortcut. Oh, it's going to be a tight game. He wins. He won. That guy just missed it by 5 seconds. This is our last race on the first round. So let's see who wins. And off they go. Oh, I think Orange has it. Orange looks like he's got it. Oh,
Yep,
Orange has
with
it.
the lead.
Orange got a good one. Kind of.
Come on, Silver, you're pretty cool. I'm rooting for you.
I want the silver to win too. Oh, wait.
Come on, Silver, let's go. Hi-ho, Silver, come on.
The orange is already almost down the next one. Already almost. The silver can catch up. Looks like he is. He's catching up. It's catching up.
After this, possible shortcut coming.
No shortcuts.
No shortcut for him.
No shortcut. It looks like he might lose. That guy got stuck in
Oh, he's taking the shortcut.
Oh, no. He took that way.
He didn't. No, he didn't.
Shortcuts.
Oh, it gets confusing. The shortcut's right there, not there.
Yeah.
Very confusing. And we have a winner, ladies and gentlemen. And
the orange,
kids.
and here comes the silver. And the silver is down. These are our next two marbles. First race of the second round. Let's start.
You know what? It's like Sonic versus Tails.
Yeah. Or Supersonic versus Sonic.
Alright, well there's no way Sonic is going to lose to Tails, so I'm betting on blue. All the way.
I'm betting on the yellow.
All the way, blue. Let's go blue.
Yellow!
You're my boy, blue.
You're orange or yellow. Yellow! Yellow got it! Yes! Come on, yellow!
Tails is not faster than Sonic.
Yeah, he is! Look at here he goes! He's already on the first hill, or second. Sonic's still... He's already almost down the second hill!
Sonic needs to find his super shoes.
Yeah, I do. He's got the... He has the slowest...
Come on, Sonic.
He's got the big shoes. Big shoe. Big is very slow. He's so big. He's like a huge cat.
No, Sonic,
He's a
come
gorilla.
on.
He's a gorilla cat.
You're running out of chances.
Oh no! I think Sonic wins. Sonic won.
Sonic's going to have to take the shortcut right
He's
here.
going to. Hey, Tails! Look at Tails! Oh man!
Oh, he took the shortcut! Sonic
won!
took the shortcut!
No!
And here comes loser Stinky Tails.
These are our two next balls to race. This is second race out of round 2. Let's start it. Around and down the start they go. See it. Oh. This is not looking like a good win for red or blue. The only way blue's gonna win is if he makes the shortcut right now. That's the only way.
It's not, yeah, there's plenty of time to make up. He almost made a move on that last funnel. Come on, make a move, blue.
Make him blue.
Ram into that orange one.
He can't.
Kick him out of the way. Come on. You can do it.
He can't.
Oh.
If he kicked him, he was gonna miss. He's gonna go that way, but he's not gonna take the shortcut. See it? No shortcut. He lost. Unless orange gets stuck.
You gotta make a move right here. Come on, blue. Come on, blue. Oh, he was really close to making a move.
Stuck there. Oh, he got stuck for a second.
And orange wins.
This is race 3 on round 2. And this marble is the one I picked. See if he wins. It kind of looked the same a little. So let's see. Let's go to small.
No, Mason has the cracked one.
Yeah, and I hope this is going to be tough because the second person to get down that one, is taking the shortcut. So this is going to be tough. I need my guy to get last. I need him.
I think Mason's winning.
I think I still might win. I don't know.
You know what? I bet you since Mason picked the cracked marble, I bet you it doesn't roll as good and it makes it.
Oh!
It makes it
Mine's
to the middle.
still going.
It makes it to the middle of the funnel easier.
Oh my god, I think I might win. Look, he's gonna take the shortcut. But look, I'm almost done this. I won! Let's go! Yes! He's the one! He's taking the shortcut and I still won! Look! He took the shortcut and I still won!
Wow.
How the heck did I win? These are our next 2 marbles and this is our last race on round 2. See who's the next one to move on to round 3. And off they go! Down the start. No shortcut this time.
Alright, come on, blue. I like that blue one.
The blue, come on!
No!
Orange is good.
Oh, is that orange or red?
That's orange.
Orange is over here making moves. Come on, blue. Come on.
Orange is making moves here, like zoom, 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 zoom.
Man, orange has got a pretty good lead right now.
I know. Kind of like my ball, but my ball was down that hoop when this ball was still in this hoop. So mine had a better lead.
Nope, no move there. Alright, we gotta hope for a shortcut, otherwise
It's not gonna happen.
Otherwise blue's not making
It's
it.
not gonna happen. If it's on that side, then it's gonna go that way. So orange looks like he's gonna win. And on this side is CQ's our first place. Oh! Blue could have made it there. Oh! He could have got stuck. The winner of this next race will be moving on to the championship round. Let's see who it will be. Here we go!
Alright, ooh, orange got an early lead. I kind of like that orange one because it reminds me of the one I picked. Just a little bit different colors.
I know, right?
Come on, orange!
Come on, orange!
Oh, come on. It's a close one though.
I know.
Oh, they're battling it out. They're battling.
No, orange looks like he has it right now. Orange has it.
Orange has it.
Oh, first one to even go down, whoever goes down this hoop is gonna get the shortcut. So that could be tough for orange.
What if the first one,
He won't.
what if the first one
It's not gonna
directs
be
him
the first.
away from it?
It's not gonna work.
Come on, orange.
It's not gonna work. Blue wins. Blue's gonna win, see?
Oh, blue's gonna get the shortcut.
And also that-
Oh no.
And that
Oh, he
one-
didn't get the shortcut.
Yeah, he
Oh
did.
yeah, he did. Oh. Darn it.
This is the last race of round 3. Whoever wins this race is moving the championship against blue. Stay, go. Oh no, no shortcut this round. There's no shortcut this round. Oh yes, thank
Yep.
you, orange. Orange pushed mine. Mine's already almost down that hoop. Oh my
Yep.
God, I have a good lead. I think-
Mason picked the best ball for sure.
Yeah.
Or the best marble for sure.
I'm about to already go down this hoop.
Yeah, look at that.
Orange is now just coming down. And now mine's down there. No shortcut. He's gonna go that way, but he's gonna take the other way. Oh, mine
Oh, you got stuck there for a second.
I'm still gonna win. He's not even down that hoop yet. I'm already down mine. I won. I got down mine. I got down that hoop and this hoop before I even went down that one. So, looks like my ball's moving on to the championship round.
Yep.
Blue or mine is gonna win this entire game. Our final race against blue against my marble. Who's winning the championship round? Let's see.
Yep.
Everyone's cheering for mine. Come on. Mason, yellow, go. Oh my God, mine got a bad lead there. Well, mine is making.
Let's see him duke it out.
Mine.
Oh,
No!
Blue's winning.
No! Mine's gonna still win.
See if you can take him.
Oh, someone's taking a shortcut this round. Because it's a shortcut.
Oh.
Last round there was no shortcut.
You bullied your way through that one.
Come on, I need blue to beat me here. Because I can need to go down the shortcut. And blue could beat me.
Nope.
Oh, dang it. Come on, blue. Don't go down
Oh, you
yet.
almost
No.
got stuck too.
Come on.
Oh, this is gonna be tight.
really
This is gonna be
hoping.
really tight.
Oh, no. Who wins?
And
No!
blue won.
No!
No!
Maybe next month.
You're having a fit over there, but I can see you. I can see you smiling.
Mine was right around the corner. Mine was literally right around the corner. I don't know how I lost. I hope you guys liked and subscribe. Enjoy the video. But the video's already over. Okay, that doesn't make sense.